Good morning. Today we will start our new topic, that is the fundamental concepts of organic chemistry. What are the fundamental concepts of organic chemistry? During organic chemistry we will done many reactions and each and every reaction have mechanism. What is mechanism? Mechanism is the process, that is subsequential series of steps under which we will study the bond cleavage, formation of electrophile, nucleophile, or rate of reaction, how reactant change into product. All the things we will study under the heading of mechanism. To study the mechanism, we have some common concepts like what are the electrophile or nucleophile. What are the electrophile and nucleophile? Beta, electrophile made up of two words, electro plus phile. Electro means electron, philes means loving or attracting. That means the chemical species which attract electrons towards itself. Electron loving species which attract electron. Now you think which type of species attract electron? That is electron deficient in nature. So we will say electrophile are the electron loving or electron attracting species. Now define electrophile. Better define electrophile. The chemical species which is electron deficient in nature or carry positive charge. Which is electron deficient in nature or carry positive charge on it. That means electron deficient species which have tendency to attract electrons towards itself. That type of species is known as electrophile. Electrophile is the chemical species which is electron deficient in nature or carry positive charge and have tendency to attract electron. Is known as electron deficient species and has tendency to attract electrons towards itself. What are the chemical species that carry positive charge? Is electrophile, that is H positive, Cl positive, H3O positive, all positive species like carbocation, carbon atom carry positive charge, alkyl positive, R is alkyl, OH positive, etc. The chemical species which carry positive charge is known as electrophile. And other one, electron deficient in nature. Which type of species is electron deficient in nature? The electron deficient species. Which type of species is known as electron deficient? Which does not have 8 electrons after sharing. For example, AlCl3. After sharing, aluminium consists of 6 electrons, not 8 electrons. It is electron deficient in nature. Beta BF3, B2H6, etc. Those species which after sharing do not have 8 electrons in the central atom are known as electron deficient species. Clear? That means if question is there, identify electrophile. You will see or find out which species carry positive charge or which is electron deficient in nature. Another one is the nucleophile. Beta, it is also made up of two words, nucleo plus phile. Phile means loving or attracting, and nucleo word coming from nucleus. And which charge present on the nucleus of an atom? Answer is positive charge. That means positive charge attracting species is known as nucleophile. You can say nucleus loving or attracting species. Is known as nucleophile. That means if you want to define what is nucleophile, so you can say nucleophile is a chemical species which carry negative charge, or having lone pair of electrons, and have tendency to donate extra electron to electrophile or electron deficient species. Here example, better example of nucleophile. First, carry negative charge. Number of species you know that carry negative charge. Example, hydride ion, hydroxide ion, chloride ion, beta oxide ion, cyanide ion, sulfonic acid ion, etc. All those species carry negative charge is known as nucleophile. Second, carry lone pair of electrons. Example, beta H2O, oxygen carry lone pair electron, alcohol, ammonia, etc. Those species which have negative charge or lone pair of electron over it, that species is known as nucleophile. Beta, first of all, under the heading of fundamental concept of chemistry, you learn two terms, electrophile as well as nucleophile. Question, what is electrophile? You have answer. What is nucleophile? You also have answer. What is the difference between electrophile and nucleophile? Beta, first point definition, other point charge. Electrophile carry positive charge, that carry negative charge. Electrophile behave as electron deficient species, and the species which have lone pair of electron is known as electron rich species, or you can say electron rich species. Clear? Now another concept is the bond cleavage, fission of covalent bond. Another concept is the fission of covalent bond. Fission of covalent bond, or you can say bond cleavage. बेटा क्लीवेज और फिजन मीन्स breakdown of covalent bond. You have two species. Between two species, mutual sharing of electron take place during the formation of covalent bond. But at the time of bond cleavage occur in the two ways. First one, beta homolytic cleavage. Homolytic cleavage or fission, that is the same thing. Homolytic, homo means same, kind. Lytic means cleavage, breakdown. That means covalent bond is break in such a way that shared pair of electrons are equally distributed between two atoms, two covalently bonded atoms. That means homolytic cleavage. Beta homolytic cleavage means during the breakdown of covalent bond, the shared pair of electrons are equally distributed between two bonded atoms. For example, two bonded atoms are A and B. This is the covalent bond formed by two electrons. During the bond cleavage, both atoms get its own electron. Beta equally distributed between two bonded atoms. A atom carry its own electron, B atom carry its own electron. The species or element which carry odd electron, this electron is known as odd electron, is known as free radical. That means during the bond cleavage homolytically we get free radical, neither positive neither negative. Second is the heterolytic cleavage. Heterolytic cleavage means during the breakdown of covalent bond, both the shared pair of electrons move towards more electronegative atom. That means bond is formed between two atoms of different electronegativity. During the bond cleavage, both the electron moves towards more electronegative atom. That means one atom lose the electron, carry positive charge. Other atom gain both the electrons, carry negative charge. The atom which carry positive charge is known as cation, and which have negative charge by attraction of electron due to more electronegativity is known as anion. That means during the bond cleavage, electrons are not equally distributed. Electrons are moved towards one of the more electronegative covalently bonded atom. Clear? So during homolytic cleavage we will get free radical. During heterolytic cleavage we will get ions, cations as well as anions. Clear? Now, another concept.